You were taught to trust banks, go to school, get a job, save your money, put your hard-earned cash in a savings account. Watch it grow, they said. But this advice keeps you financially trapped. Millionaires know something you don't. Banks are not primarily for saving. The average person sees a bank as a safe place. They use debit cards for daily spending. They hope the tiny interest earned will help. These rules are designed to benefit the banks, not you. This is why most people struggle financially. Millionaires view banks very differently. They see banks as a tool, a powerful tool for building wealth. Idle money loses value every single day. The rich understand the flow of money. They know banks are businesses designed to make profit. The poor and middle class work hard for their money. The rich make their money work hard for them. It's time you learn these secrets too. Traditional savings accounts are a financial trap. You deposit your money feeling secure. You see a small interest payment appear. You think your money is growing. This is an illusion, a dangerous one. In reality, your money is shrinking. It is losing its purchasing power. The culprit is a silent thief: inflation. It erodes the value of your savings. Inflation means your money buys less over time. The interest banks pay on savings is usually a joke. It rarely, if ever, keeps pace with true inflation. You are, in effect, losing money. Banks use your money to make more money. They lend it out for mortgages, car loans, business loans. The difference between what they pay you and what they earn is their profit. Relying on savings accounts is a path to financial stagnation. Millionaires understand that cash is trash if it sits idle. They don't let large sums of money languish in savings accounts. Instead, they deploy their capital. They put their money to work. The goal is to acquire assets. Assets are things that put money in your pocket. Cash flow is the name of the game, not the accumulation of dead money in a bank. Real estate is a classic millionaire investment. It can generate rental income month after month. This is positive cash flow. Real estate can also appreciate in value over time, and there are significant tax advantages. Banks are often willing to lend you money to buy real estate. This is using other people's money, OPM, to build wealth. Millionaires understand this leverage. Stocks and businesses are other preferred avenues. Investing in well-chosen companies means owning a piece of their success. Many millionaires build their own businesses. A successful business is a powerful cash flow machine. These are active strategies for wealth creation. It's a sophisticated way the rich manage and grow their capital. Section 4. The Millionaire's Secret Weapon: Using Banks for Leverage, Not Storage. Millionaires are not afraid of debt. They understand there are two kinds of debt. There is bad debt and there is good debt. Bad debt makes you poorer. This is debt used for liabilities, things that take money out of your pocket. Good debt, on the other hand, makes you richer. This is debt used to acquire assets. Assets that generate income and appreciate in value. This is the debt millionaires embrace. Banks are a primary source of other people's money, or OPM. This is the key to leverage. Leverage is using borrowed capital to increase the potential return of an investment. Millionaires use bank loans to buy income-producing assets. The income from the asset is then used to pay off the debt, and to provide profit or cash flow. The bank provides the capital, the asset pays the bank. You get to keep the asset and the ongoing profit. This is how wealth is built rapidly. Consider buying a rental property. You might put down 20% of the purchase price. The bank lends you the other 80%. This is the power of leverage in action. Section 5. Your financial wake-up call. It's time to bank like the rich. The old advice is broken. Go to school, get good grades, find a safe job, save money. This path no longer guarantees financial security. It often leads to a life in the rat race, working harder and harder but never getting ahead. It's time to question these outdated beliefs. It's time to learn the new rules of money, the rules that the rich have always played by. This requires a shift in your mindset, a fundamental change in how you view money and banks. Financial education is your most important asset. You must invest in your financial intelligence. Read books on investing, personal finance, and economics. Attend seminars, listen to podcasts, find mentors. Understand the difference between an asset and a liability. Learn about cash flow, leverage, and risk management. Nobody will do this for you. Your financial future is your responsibility. The power to change your financial destiny is in your hands. Start playing the game of money to win.